Hi everyone, welcome to me and mom. Hope you all are safe and healthy. This video is a continuation one which I have uploaded earlier in my pre-writing series. If you have not seen, please watch that video. There I have told you how to teach your child writing very easily and in a fun-filled way in 3 stages. The link may be coming somewhere here. Today in this video, I will show you how to teach different patterns to your child. So let's start the video. You can put some dots in a white sheet like what I have done here, and I have numbered it like 1, 2, 3, 4, and ask your child to join from 2 to 3 and 3 to 4. After 2 to 3 days of doing this, you can teach them about standing lines, sleeping lines, slanting lines and inverted slanting lines. Here I have prepared a worksheet. Here is the sleeping lines. So ask your child to join like this from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to 5. Here standing line like 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. One slanting line like this. Ask your child to join these dots and they will have a basic idea about these lines. Here one inverted slanting line. Number these dots so that you can tell them to join from 1 to 2, 2 to 3. You can do this kind of activity for 2 weeks, 14 days, so that they will have the basic idea about all these lines. You can give this kind of notebook and pencil, or this kind of wipe and clean pen. This is also very useful. You can give this and do it in the board. At this stage, when they have learned the lines, then teach them about alphabets. First teach them alphabets which has standing lines, sleeping lines, slanting lines and inverted slanting lines like A. Tell them to join like this. Then join 2 and 3 by a sleeping line. A. 2 slanting lines, 1 slanting line, 1 inverted slanting line and join it by a sleeping line. Here E. Like join 1, 2 and 3 by a standing line. Then join 1 and 4 by a sleeping line. Another sleeping line here. And the third sleeping line here. When they have the idea about this, all those lines earlier, then they can do it very nicely. You can make this kind of worksheets and make your child practice for at least 15 minutes daily. This is F. See, 2 sleeping lines and 1 standing line. Here join from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. 1 standing line, another standing line. 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. Then join 3 and 7. H. You can teach them to draw different things. Like here I am drawing a fish. With having an idea about the sleeping lines, standing lines, your child can make so many things. Like here I am doing a house. You can also make this kind of things. With an idea about sleeping line, standing line, slanting lines, you can teach them about the shapes, how to draw shapes like rectangle, square. Here hexagon, 4 slanting lines, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 slanting lines, 2 standing lines. Here also there is a pentagon. 1 slanting line, another slanting line, 2 standing lines and 1 sleeping line. You can also teach them about these patterns like zigzag lines, these patterns will help them in writing alphabets. After about a month, you can introduce them with these wavy lines. Put some dots and ask them to join like this. Then these curvy lines. These things are very helpful in writing the alphabets B, C, D. And again here I have one more activity, like this is a sunny day. You can also make rainy day. Ask your child to complete this sun. Draw a straight line from these dots to the circle. Draw another slanting line like this. Another slanting line. You can put the dots all over here and ask your child to join the dots with the circle. After learning all the patterns and like semicircle, circle, help them in writing this kind of alphabets like B, C, D. Ask them to join straight line, then join from 1 to 4 and 2 to 4. Again from 2 to 5, then 3 to 5. Likewise you can teach. And if you follow like this in 3 stages, before 3 years of age, your child will be able to write all the alphabets. अगर आपको ऐसे वीडियोस पसंद है, प्लीज़ हिट द लाइक बटन और शेयर कीजिए न्यू पेरेंट्स के साथ, और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरी चैनल मी एंड मॉम को, जहां मैं हर हफ्ते नए नए वीडियोस लाती हूँ कैसे अपने बच्चे को अच्छे से एंजॉय करके पढ़ाया जाए. If you have anything to say, please use the comment section below. Thanks for watching.